Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to talk about why meat is for champs and grains are for slaves. This is a little excerpt from a book. I'm going to share my screen so you can see. From this book, Genghis Khan and the Making of the Modern World by Jack Weatherford. So in this book, the author, Jack Weatherford, he was the only Western scholar ever to be allowed into the Mongols' Great Taboo, which is Genghis Khan's homeland and forbidden burial site. And he was able to get in there and he was able to write the book. And he really mentioned so many things that I was not aware of that are very surprising and really not what most people think of when they think of Genghis Khan, this brutal murderer. He was actually one of the earliest adopters of freedom of religion, even back then, and free trade, and showed a lot of leniency after they would win over certain, regions. So it's really cool. I would urge you to read it. But something that is interesting to us is that this is what he says. First of all, why is it important to understand their diet? It's because under Genghis Khan, the Mongol army never numbered more than 100 warriors at a time, yet it subjugated more lands and people in 25 years than the Romans conquered in 400 years. This is insane. And in the book, he says that the Chinese noted with surprise and disgust the ability of the Mongol warriors to survive on little food and water for long periods. According to one, the entire army could camp without a single puff of smoke since they needed no fires to cook. You can just eat raw meat. You definitely cannot eat raw veggies, right? All of the plant toxins and plant self-defense chemicals, you could literally die by not cooking plants. Compared to the Jurchen soldiers, the Mongols were much healthier and stronger. The Mongols consumed a steady diet of a carnivore diet, meat, milk, yogurt, and other dairy products, and they fought men who lived on gruel made from various grains. Gruel is basically grains mixed with milk or water. The grain diet of the peasant warriors stunted their bones, rotted their teeth, and left them weak and prone to disease. And this is also what we see in our skeletons before versus after the agricultural revolution. Our skeletons before, when we ate mainly carnivore diet, were much taller, our bones were stronger, and our brains were bigger, our skulls were bigger, and we did not have any misalignment of the teeth. And they see the same thing here with regards to the Mongols versus the grain-eating Jurchen warriors. In contrast, the poorest Mongol soldier ate mostly protein, thereby giving him strong teeth and bones. So there you go, another historical little tidbit of information on the superiority of eating a carnivore diet and a meat-based diet for optimal health and strength. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stop and end.